YouTube. Today we're gonna be rating as a E-Kitten on my friend's account. Shout out to her, letting me use her account. You know what I'm saying? But I don't really have too much to say. I don't really do videos like this. It's like my first time or second, I think. But let's get started though. So let's go get some guns. First I'll start off. I don't got none. You know. Whoever I see, I'm gonna random them. Yo, I thought I was lagging, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I paused there for a second. But let's see though. I even got low GFX on. Yo! Bro, what? Alright, buddy. What is your problem, bud? What is your problem? Are you gonna stomp me? Okay, buddy. Okay. We're gonna pretend like he did not do that. We're gonna pretend like he did not do that. I can't even dress as an E-Kitten anymore. I see what y'all have to go through. Anyways, look at my guns. The server looks, I don't know. It's not dry. Actually, I haven't even been through the whole thing. I'm tripping. Let's see. Alright. It's going down. Shit. He almost got me. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. We good though. We pulled through, you know. Stay clutch. Where everybody yes. He's already fighting. I ain't know that. Girl, buddy, who you think you is? Come here. Oh wait. Oops. Who does buddy think he is? Running up on my other E-Kitten. Or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I meant, guys. If I find him though, it's over. He's dead. I don't know who buddy thinks he is. Bro, where is he at? Like, he's like he dip. I think, is this him? Oh, that's Noob Central. I can't find him. Oh, I know where he's at. Is that him in the... Maybe it's a fake Bry armor. Let me see. Take it out. Yup. I knew it. See, it always works. It always works. Yeah, I cannot. Oh, he's almost dead. Nope, chat. Nope. Bud. Oh no, buddy. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. Alright, we're good. We are good. I'm gonna fight him up close. He alright. He not out of that. He's just alright. But if I really want to make him mad, I could really just headless abuse. But I'm not finna do that. I'm not trying to... Oh no. Yo, where the other E-Kitten go? I need her help! Yeah, you better run, buddy. I should chase them. lost him. It's okay. It's okay, chat. tuvehh wanna go crazy though. Did y'all see that? Like, bro. I need to help that girl. Shit. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not reloaded, gang. I'm not reloaded, gang. Let me reload. Let me reload. You know what? I don't even need to be reloaded. Eat it. Not gonna lie, bro. They suck, bro. Not gonna lie to y'all. Like, shy headless abuse. I'll give him one more chance. I'll give him one more chance. I'm not gonna be like that. I'm not gonna be weird. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be weird. Don't even think about it, bro. Don't even think about it. I thought that the twinkle should have ran to me, not gonna lie. I suck. Bro, you suck. You're horrible. Not gonna lie, y'all. Just headless shots right now. We're not finna talk about that because I only attack. So, y'all know how that goes. I'm pretty sure y'all know how that goes. Not too much of my aim. I only have tack. I only have tack. Chill, chill, chill. I only have tack. Alright, buddy. Let me go get the rest of my guns and now I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. Let me get the rest of my guns and I'm gonna... Ooh, it's over. Swear. Bro has me messed up. He wants me to fight with only tech. Tripping. I think I'm gonna get rev up here, cause oh, where was buddy? Let me get rev up here, cause not gonna lie, I don't want to get killed while I'm buying guns. If he kills me though, they kill me one more time, I'm finna start headless abusing. I don't know what the girl's trying to say to me, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's spin back. Chat, let's spin back. Imagine they know I'm already right here. Yo, look at these kids. And he's dressed as a girl, bro. What? I made bro switch teams. We made bro switch teams. We made bro switch teams. And they're 2v1. Joke's on you, buddy. I can get headless. So, I mean, it's only fair. He put on a female package. I mean, even though I'm a dude, but I'm doing it for the video, you know? So, like, he doing it for no reason because he sucks. They making me mad. They're jump mate. Yo, what is this? It looks like I'm naked, bro. It's okay. It's okay, y'all. It's okay. It's time to spin the art block. Yo, they're so jump made. They only sit together. Yo, bro. What is he doing? Yo, move, please. Alright, buddy. Not a headless abusing. What? Bro, you literally put on a female package. What are you talking about, gang? Like, you suck. I've been 2v1ing them this whole time. Don't tell me the expert is on me. The expert better not be on me. Alright, let me just tee up, because I don't know what the fuck I was on right there. I was doing dumb shit. I could have killed him. I'm gonna be hitting no shots, like, should be crazy. Bro, what? What is that? Oh boy, you did good. Damn, you eat good. I'm not gonna lie, that's a clip, not gonna cap. Not gonna cap. You're so bad. Buddy, what? You just got put in a clip. What is he talking about? Is he like delusional or something? Because like if I was in his position, I wouldn't be calling myself bad. Or, yeah, you know. I wouldn't be doing that if I were you. Yo, y'all should let me know like what I should rate as. Cause like I need some more ideas to post besides montages. Montages get like, they get kind of boring after a cool minute, you know what I'm saying? Caught him lacking. Watch they say, you don't want to be one. Wait, I don't even have nobody with me. What am I talking about? Oh. Okay. Yep, that happened. Let's see if I can glitch through. It worked. W. Buddy done switched outfits like 15 million times. Is he scared or what? Bro, I'm finna buy this armor again. I dare him to come over here and try. You don't want to do this. You don't want to do this game. I'm telling you right now, you don't want to do this. I'm telling you, bro, you don't want to do that. I could do that. Buddy. I don't know how that is. Go, get that armor. I dare you. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually. He sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I gotta fix my macro. It's tweaking. Give you a second. There you go. Good as new. They get mad at me for having this abuse, and they was making me mad. They was just jumping me the whole time. Oh yeah, no, not doing that. No sir, I'm not even gonna risk trying to buy it and me getting one tapped and him saying you suck. I literally predicted what he was gonna do. I know he's gonna do it too. It could push me down though. I'll be back. It don't even matter. Low key, my aim is like underrated right now. I'm hitting. Well, besides that attack thing. Yo, what, bro? Bud. Look at this man. Bro, I know he's not complaining about. Bro. Should I be like one of them? I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna be like one of them. I'm gonna be like one of them. Bro, sound getting slammed. He hasn't. Has he killed me? I can't even remember. I really can't even remember. Not gonna lie. I really hate being one of them, but I mean, what more can you do when you get a jump, bro? Like, what more can you do? If we're being for real. If you get a jump, you gotta headless abuse. I mean, what do you have it for? And it, not gonna lie, it's not that hard to kill somebody with headless. You just gotta be good. Like, if they had headless, it really wouldn't matter. It's not that hard to kill somebody with it. Alrighty. Alrighty. I just saw him come up. There he is. So comp, chat. No, I did that on purpose. That makes people so mad. I know it makes me mad. Whenever they start doing that and they crouch, I'll be like, bro, I'd be getting furious, you know. I don't want to make this recording too long, but I low-key want to make it like 20 minutes because I'm just chilling and they suck. Oh, wow. I think once they log, maybe I'll end it. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video because they ended up logging. I find it crazy, like actually how they logged when it was a 2v1. But I'm just like that, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like and subscribe for more content like this. I'm probably gonna do more in the future. But anyways, I'll see y'all later. Deuces.